Mr. King here to run you through another PE remote learning activity. The activity I'll be talking about today is an activity called Punt Race. But first, you will need to find some space and equipment. Let's have a look at the space and equipment you will need to be able to play the activity Punt Race.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream.
Alright everyone, now that you know what space and equipment is needed for this activity, let's now have a look at how to set up Punt Race.
Oh, and they come on stars. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York.
Alright everybody, it is now time to learn how to play Punt Race. Let's have a look at the instructions on how to play Punt Race.
Oh, and they come on stars.
First, you will need to decide on which player will go first. The player who is going first will start at shoe 1, where I am currently standing, which is the shoe furthest away from the laundry basket. This player will also start by holding a ball of socks. The other player will stand to the side with the timing device. When ready, the player with the timing device will call out ready, set, go. On go, the player with the timing device will start the timer while the other player will start jumping from shoe to shoe until they get to shoe number 5, which is the shoe closest to the laundry basket. Once players get to shoe number 5, they need to try and punt kick, which is similar to AFL kicking, their ball into the laundry basket. Players will keep on kicking their ball until they can successfully punt kick their ball into the laundry basket. Once players are able to punt kick their ball into the laundry basket, they need to leave their ball in the laundry basket. They then need to run back to the start to collect another ball. They will then jump from shoe to shoe all the way back to shoe number 5. Then, once they get back to shoe number 5, they once again need to try and punt kick their ball back into the laundry basket. Once players are able to punt kick their third ball into the laundry basket, they need to run back to the start. Once they get back to the start, the player who is timing will stop the timer. Players will then swap over. Once each player has had their turn, players will work out to see who had the quickest time. The player who completed their turn in the quickest time will be the winner of the round. Play 3 rounds. The player who wins the most rounds will be the winner of Punt Race. If playing by yourself, play 3 rounds. Using your timing device, see how long it takes you to punt kick your 3 balls into your laundry basket in your first round. Then see if you can get a quicker time in your second and third rounds. Alright, everybody. Now that you know how to play Punt Race, go out, find a family member, and have some fun. I'm now going to go and play 3 rounds and see if I can be the winner of Punt Race. Alright guys, good luck and have fun.
Until the midnight.